Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Now we have the x, so we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we just have this one and this one. First the derivative of y, you got about number 1, so we have cosine x. First the derivative of e to the power of y, we have 2x e to the power of y. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. We have dy, so we do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So this one we don't have x, so you got about 0. First the derivative of sine x, we have cosine x. First the derivative of x squared, we have 2x, and we have e to the power of y. We see that this one is equals to this one, so that is about exact. Now we need to set up about the function f(x,y). So I will choose the integration of this one, and we have g(x,y). So the integration of cosine x, we have sine x. The integration of 2x, we have x squared. The integration of x, we have x squared over 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides. So first the derivative of y, we have number 1, so we have sine x. First the derivative of e to the power of y, we keep the same. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. And we know that this one is equals to this one. Now we need to simplify sine x and x squared e to the power of y for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of y, we have y squared over 2, and I will put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy, and 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to f(xy). f(xy) equals to c. And so we simplify, and we got like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.